What if I tell you that you don't need to create a product, build a website, or handle customer support to get started in performance marketing? In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful CPA marketing platform called Zeydoo. We'll break down what Zeydoo is, how it works, and why so many beginners are using it as their entry point into CPA marketing. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll explain everything in a simple and beginner friendly way. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on Zeydoo platform. You can get your giveaways, offers, smart link, social smart surveys, and mobile apps offers. You can see this platform has got 4.2 star ratings on Trustpilot. Zeydoo is a trusted platform. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can select your account type. You can type here your first name, you can type here your last name, you can select here your country, you can type your city, you can type here your address, you can select your affiliate type, you can type here your email address, you can select your messenger. Now you can type your username in your messenger. You can select your verticals. You can select your geos. Here you can see they are asking what CPA networks have you worked with. You can type your CPA network's name. You can type here your main traffic source's name. You can type here your achievements as an affiliate. Here you can see they are asking how did you hear about Zeydoo. You can type your YouTube. You can type your social media. Now this is optional. You can read and agree its terms and conditions. You can verify this CAPTCHA. At last, you can click on sign up button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can see here this CPA offer is accepting 237 countries. Here you can see rates. Here you can see eCPM. And here you can see conversion type. It's a cost per lead. You can select your verticals. You can see there are a lot of verticals to choose from. You can choose any of this vertical. If you want, you can select your specific country. You can select your platform. You can select your OS type. You can select your conversion type. Like you can select cost per install, free trial, APK, one click, pin submit, SOI registration, DOI registration. You can choose any of this conversion type. If you want, you can also create a smart link. Here you can see description. Here you can see restrictions. No bot, no fraud, no proxy, no iframe. Propeller ads traffic is not allowed. You can add your traffic source and then you can click on get link button. Let me show you how you can promote offers from Zeydoo platform. You can click on offers button. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can choose giveaway offers. You can choose mobile apps offers. You can simply click here to open the CPA offer. Here you can see a status. This offer is active. Here you can see Zio. This CPA offer is accepting only United States users. I'm going to choose another CPA offer. You can choose any of this CPA offer. For example, you can click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see title. Here you can see description. Here you can see vertical. It's a giveaway. Here you can see conversion type. And here you can see status. This CPA offer is active. Here you can see rates. And here you can see preview. Here you can see geos. Different countries have different rates. You can check here. You can scroll down. Here you can see restrictions. Propeller ads traffic is not allowed. No incent or no motivated traffic, no misleading, no fraud, no bot, no proxy. Guys, you need to add your traffic source. You can click on add source button. You can type your traffic source name, like you can type your Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, or you can type here your website URL. I'm going to type here Facebook. Now click on create button. Here you can see I have added traffic source. Click on get link button. Yeah, here we go. You can see I have created successfully link. You can use this link to promote this CPA offer. When your user will click on this link using mobile device, then they are redirected to this landing page. When your user will complete an action, then Zeydoo platform may create your account according to user's location. Guys, you can insert this CPA link on your website. You can also insert this CPA link on your landing page. You can simply click here to copy this CPA link. Now you can visit on your website to insert this CPA link. If you do not have website, then don't worry. You can use Google site to create landing page. If you have blogger website, then you can visit on your blogger website. You can open your post. You can click here. You can select compose view. Click on switch button. Now you can select any of this text. You can click on this link icon. You can paste your CPA link. Now click on apply button. Similarly, you can select any of this text. You can click on this link icon. You can paste your CPA link. Now you can click on apply button. Now you can click on update button. Click here to go back. Now you can click here to view this post. Here you can see this post. Here is showing clickable text. I have inserted CPA link on this text. Here is showing another clickable text. When your website user will click on this text using mobile device, then they are redirected to the CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete an action, then Zeydoo platform may create your account according to user's location. So friends, this is how Zeydoo platform works. Guys, you can also join my Telegram group. Here is showing URL of my Telegram group. You can click here to join my Telegram group. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.